Hello mathematicians, I hope in this video and with a little bit of practice you can say I can determine if a decimal is terminating or repeating. So for this skill there really is no computations necessary. All that it is understanding some certain math notations that we need to know. So a terminating decimal is something like let's say 2.35, and right there it just stops. So this would be a terminating decimal right here. So that's a terminating decimal because it comes to a stop. And a repeating decimal is something that just keeps going on forever and ever and ever. So say for example you were to have 4.3, and say this 3 were to just keep repeating over and over and ever. So you could say dot, 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 just keep going like that forever and ever and ever. Or another way you can notate it, which is a little bit more feasible rather than just keeping on drawing threes, is to put a little line over it. So that means that's going to be 4.3 repeating. So that's going to be just an infinite amount of threes after it. Okay, so that's 4.3 repeating. So that's just when one number is repeating. So this is a repeating decimal. Another way that a decimal could be repeating is, say it's not even just the same number over and over again. Say it's something like 1.32, and it would just go 3, 2, 3, 2 over and over and over and over and over again. So what you could do is above this, we would just draw a line between or above both the 3 and the 2. So we know that that would just be 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2 over and over and over again. So anytime you see this line above a decimal, we know that that is a repeating decimal. And if it stops like this one here, it is a terminating decimal. That is it for our video. I hope by now, with a little bit of practice, you can say I can determine if a decimal is terminating or repeating.